Good morning, class. Welcome back to your EVS class. In previous class, we have studied how many types of plants are there. So, children, how many plants we have studied about? We have studied about 5 plants. Yes. So, first is trees, which grow tall and big and have hard, thick stems. Second, we have studied about shrubs. Shrubs कौन से होते हैं plant which are lower than trees. Trees से छोटे होते हैं and often have branches near the ground. Ground के पास ही branches होते हैं. उनके branches ऊपर air में नहीं होते tree के जैसे. Okay. Herbs होते हैं जिनके very weak stems होते हैं, whose stems are very weak, soft and they are of green colors. Have you seen coriander stems? Yes, children. I hope so that everyone has seen coriander stems, that they are soft, very soft, and they are of green color. Then we have studied about climbers. Climbers are those plants whose stems are very weak, बहुत ही ज़्यादा weak होते हैं, and they need support to grow. Then we have studied about creepers. Creepers are the plants whose stems are very weak and they spread on the ground. उनके stems ground पे ही फैल जाते हैं. So now today we will study parts of plants. So children, you can see here this plant, you can see here. You can see here that here are the roots. This is the stem, this is leaf, this is fruit, this is flower. So what all are they? ये root है, ये stem है, ये देखो ये क्या है? Fruit है. These are the leaves. ये leaves हैं. And this is the flower. So what all are they? They are parts of plant. Okay. So today we are going to study parts of plant. A plant, children, a plant can be divided into 2 parts. अब हम plant को 2 part में divide कर सकते हैं. देखो, this first and this one is second. जो first part होता है, we call them as shoot. Okay, so what we call them as? We call them as shoot. And then the second part we call them as root. A plant can be divided into 2 parts, the root and the shoot. Okay, the part of the plant that grows below the ground. अब वो part जो below the ground से below, नीचे, below, grow करते हैं, they are called as roots. So children, you can see here that here are the roots. ऐसे. So these all are the parts of plant that grows below the ground. अब आप देख रहे हो ना ground में अंदर ground के नीचे below. Yes. It is usually white in color and these roots are usually in white in colors. So children, ये roots कौन से color के होते हैं? White color के होते हैं. These are the parts of plants which is grown below the ground and they are of white colors. Now children, the part of the plant that grows above the ground. अब ये तो नीचे, ये below the ground है. Now the above the ground. उस part of plant को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Above. They are grown above. They are called as shoot. The shoot has, अब shoot के पास क्या क्या है? Shoot has stem. उसके पास stem है. Branches है. Leaves है. Buds. ये buds हैं, flower है and fruit है. Now we will study in detail about stems, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits, and also about the root. So first we are going to study about roots. Here, the root is the part of plant. The root is the part of plant that usually grows below the ground. Now you have seen that जो रूट होते हैं वो पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट है जो कि ग्राउंड के अंदर ग्रो करते हैं. ये सी यस, ये ग्राउंड के अंदर है. इनके रूट्स आप किसी प्लांट का देखना, उसके रूट्स अंदर ही होते हैं ग्राउंड के. ठीक है. दे आर टू मेन टाइप्स ऑफ रूट्स. और रूट्स के भी दो मेन टाइप है, टैप रूट एंड फाइब्रस रूट. टैप रूट is the main root which grows from the end of the stem. Now children, आप ये देख सकते हो, ये जो रूट आ रहा है, ये जो स्टेम से ऊपर से स्टेम के पास जा रहा है, what these roots are called? They are called tap root. इन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? टैप रूट बोलते हैं. Many small roots. अब इसमें से स्मॉल रूट्स निकलते हैं. आप टैप रूट्स में से देख सकते हो that many small roots are grown from the tap root. अब इस टैप रूट्स में से देखो बहुत सारे स्मॉल रूट्स निकले हैं. यस. और इसको हम मेन रूट भी बोलते हैं. दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज मेन रूट. टैप रूट को मेन रूट भी बोलते हैं. बीट रूट हो गया, कैरेट हो गया, आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ टैप रूट. वो टैप रूट के एग्जाम्पल है. अब जो बीट रूट है ना चिल्ड्रन, वो क्या है? वो रूट है, वो मेन रूट है जिसमें से और भी बहुत सारी रूट्स निकलती हैं, स्मॉल स्मॉल रूट्स. So children, we have studied about taproot today. In next class, we will study about another root, about the fibrous root. And we will also study about the shoot plant. A plant has divided into two parts, yes. Into first one is the root, which is below the ground. The other is the shoot, that is above the ground. Thank you, children.